Today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Waze app. So you just follow this Waze, then it's going to work with you. Just go above this. So you click on this sign here, sorry. You click on here on this sign. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on settings. So into you will find here voice and sorry, you click here on navigation here. So then here you will find here tour and HOV passes here, just click on it. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and here can you add another here when you click on this sign. So if you want to remove it, you click here on this sign here, then you click on remove. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.